Welcome to Univer Go. Today we will show you how to use the AI enrichment template to intelligently complete the data in your table. You can select from a variety of tools by clicking the toolbar button. Next, we select the target area and click the Run button. GPT will intelligently complete the data based on the selected tool and prompt words for the current column. You can also add additional prompt words in the description section to help AI better understand your needs. When using the web search tool, you can search for real-time information from the web. Additionally, when you click on a cell, the sidebar will display more related links, helping you dive deeper into the information. Moreover, with the Read tool, you can extract and summarize information from any public website, further enriching your data sources. Try Univer Go now and experience the power of AI.